Okay, I'm back. We used the rig to cut to start cutting that headboard down, and it was a little ungainly, shall we say. So what I need to do is I need to get a longer pole here, and I need to get a longer pole here probably, or move this over that way in order to do it, because it was trying to drop off that end. So we manhandled it and got it done, but I wasn't going to film that because I didn't want you to watch me cut my arm off. I'm just kidding. Not going to happen. But anyway, so we're going to show you the last one, how it goes through. With the iPad, it's not a great way to film it, but it is what it is. So I'm going to shut up and we're going to get on it. It's plugged in. And that's all there is to it. It works. A little tweaking is involved, but yeah. I love the fact the infeed table's there and the outfeed table. It makes it one heck of a lot easier to do the whole thing. So, have a nice day.